welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment, and you all know that today's assignment is on English language. Subject is English language, and today's assignment is on the topic of a and the, also known as articles. So as you all know, we have completed our revision 1 of English language yesterday, which was of the 2 chapters. First one was vowels and consonants, and the second one was your first chapter of your book, that was about words. Okay, so yesterday I have explained both the chapters in part 1 video, and in part 2 video I gave you the revision exercise, in which I gave you questions with 3 options, and you have to choose out the correct option out of these 3 options. Okay, so I hope you all have completed that. Now today again in the same manner, children, my first video was of explanation part for chapter number 10, that is a and the, or you can also say articles. Okay, then I have explained it to you in a very nice manner, in a very elaborated manner again. So I hope there is no confusion now, any confusion now. And now in this part video, that is part 2 video, I am going to give you revision exercise, in which again I will be giving you sentences or questions with 3 options, and you have to choose the correct option. So you all are ready? Very good. So your first sentence. Make sure you listen to each and every video very carefully. You listen to each and every part which I am explaining with question as well as answer very nicely, because children, again I am telling you, in the videos I am explaining you all the exercises with answers, but when I am giving you the revision assignment, I am not typing the answers there. I am only giving the questions with their options, but I am not taking the correct answers there. Okay, so I want you all to do this exercise after watching these videos on your own very carefully. Clear? So let's get started. Concentrate on this video. First question: the words a and the are also called. What are these 3 words a and the called? Nouns, articles, or vowels? The first day when I explained you this chapter, I made you write on the top of your chapter articles. A and the are also known as articles. So I told you to write articles there also. Okay, so the words a and the are also called articles. Nouns अलग चीज़ है, vowels अलग चीज़ है, but a and the को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Articles. So we will put a tick in front of the word articles. Coming to the second question, the article a is used with the words beginning with. आर्टिकल ए जो है वो कौन से वर्ड्स के साथ में हम यूज़ करते हैं, कौन से वर्ड्स जो बिगिन करते हैं किस चीज़ से, स्टार्ट किस चीज़ से होते हैं वर्ड्स, जिन वर्ड्स के आगे हम आर्टिकल यूज़ करते हैं. आर दे कॉन्सोनेंट्स, आर दे वॉवल्स, और आर दे नाउन्स? व्हाट आर दोज वर्ड्स स्टार्टिंग व्हेन वी यूज़ आर्टिकल्स? They are consonants. Okay, so we will put a tick in front of consonants. जो words consonant से start होते हैं उनके आगे हम अ का यूज़ करते हैं और ए का यूज़ करते हैं. Clear? Now coming to the third question. What will be used before the word dash Taj Mahal? Now Taj Mahal के साथ में हम कौन सा article यूज़ करेंगे? A and the. So can you tell me? Okay, very good. I know many of you know the correct answers, but my job is to just explain it to you why we are using this article. So your question is, before the word Taj Mahal, what article will be used? Okay, so Taj Mahal, you can see, is written in capital letter. So I have explained to you that the words which are written in capital letters are the words which are, they are particular. Okay, itself they are in a particular manner. Okay, Taj Mahal is a place, and it is a particular place we are talking about. We are talking about a place which is a particular place, one place we are talking about, that is the Taj Mahal. Okay, so Taj Mahal is a monument. Okay, सो इट इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर मॉन्यूमेंट, बिकॉज ताजमहल जैसा दूसरा मॉन्यूमेंट तो है ही नहीं कहीं पूरे वर्ल्ड में. सो it is only one monument which we are talking about. So what we will use, we will not use a, we will not use an, we will use the. So the is the correct option. Okay, now coming to the fourth question. Now what is the fourth question, children? As you can see, your fourth question is, take the correct word which starts with a consonant but gives a sound of a vowel. Now this is a topic which I have explained you again. There are only two words which start with a consonant, but when you speak them they give you a sound of a vowel. So what are those two words? Honest and are. So here the options are butter, camel, honest. So which is the correct option? C, honest. Part C is your correct option, honest. Okay, so honest is a word which always starts with a consonant word, but it gives a sound of a vowel. Now coming to next question, that is fifth question. The article an is used with words beginning with. Article an जो है वो कौन से words के साथ यूज होता है, जो किससे शुरू होते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट से, वॉवल से या नाउन से? यस, हम an का यूज तब करते हैं, and का यूज़ हम कब करते हैं चिल्ड्रन? when the words are beginning with vowels. a e i o u से जो words begin होते हैं, शुरू होते हैं, उनके साथ हम and का यूज़ करते हैं. so your correct option is vowels. okay, क्योंकि consonants के साथ तो हम a यूज़ करते हैं, और nouns तो एक अलग ही चीज़ हो गई. it is a name of a person, particular name of a person, place, animal or thing. so noun is a different thing. कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ हम ए यूज़ करते हैं, सो वॉवल्स के साथ हम एन करते हैं, तो वी विल पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ वॉवल्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, व्हाट विल बी यूज्ड बिफोर द वर्ड कैट? कैट के पहले हम कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज करेंगे? नाउ कैट यू कैन सी CAT, कैट, स्टार्टिंग विथ C. सो C इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट, so the words which are starting with consonants we use a with them. So it's very obvious children that we will be using a with the word cat. Okay, a cat. So in the first option only a is given, so this is your correct option. Coming to the seventh question, with the word orange, orange के साथ आपको कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज करेंगे? which article will be used? A and the. So the word is orange. Now orange is starting with O, which is a vowel. So it is but obvious children that words starting with vowels we use and with these words. Okay, so we will put a tick in front of an. Eighth is we use article the with something definite, vowels or consonants. आर्टिकल द हम किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? जब कोई चीज एक डेफिनेट या पर्टिकुलर है. okay, so we will put a tick in front of the word definite. Now coming to the next question, that is the ninth question, with the word are, which article will be used? Now again the word are is given here. You can see h starting, our word is starting with h, which is a consonant, but when you are pronouncing it, when you are speaking this word, it is giving you a sound of a vowel, that is o. So we will use an with this word. okay, so an is the correct option. Coming to the 10th question, that is the last question, how many letters are there in English alphabets? English alphabets में कितने letters होते हैं? 20, 24, 26. You all know A to Z, सबको आता है A to Z. तो A to Z में कितने alphabets होते हैं? 20, 24, 26. Yes, the correct option is 26. So we will put a tick in front of 26. So I hope children you all have understood this revision exercise very clearly. That is all for today. Now tomorrow, as I have told you before, I will be giving you 20 questions. Okay, and those 20 questions will be very important for you all, because in that 20 questions I will be giving you literature language mixed. Okay, which will be your final practice for your pre-midterm exam. Is that clear to you all? So I hope you all have understood it very nicely. I want you all to complete this revision exercise in your English revision notebook. So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.